Hey everybody, today on Roadside RC, we are going to be building some more crawler course obstacles. Something that looks like this. So follow along, check it out, let's see how we can make this thing happen. So here is the mess that we have gotten to so far. So it is a simple arch up and over, as it sits right now, just a simple arch up and over. And then what we're using is, again, all this is out of fence pickets, leftover tops of fence pickets. We are coming up at somewhere around 16 inches wide. You'll see the vehicle come up and then you see this twist happening here. So it's slowly, gradually twisting over, going to create a side hill. And then we're going to start twisting back up the other direction and then back down again, something like that. All right, in order to get these angles, what I did is over here, I measured out, it's like 15.5 inches on the sawhorse. Put a couple pieces of tape. You then take the fence picket, line up a corner down here, and then depending on whether or not you mark it up with the first, second, third, or fourth marks here, depending on which mark you line it up with, creates the angle. And so that just continues to gradually tilt it over. And then so I have a stack of shallow, middle number 2, and then extreme angles, and then I can just keep screwing those on in whatever pattern I want to make it go across there. Check it out. Here's how far we've gotten so far. The whole thing is basically assembled. I don't know, it looks like that might be pretty tough. Some of those angles right there. It is not the prettiest thing in the world. I'm going to definitely admit that. I think I'm going to paint it. That'll help because, you know, we had some colors here that were left over from other stuff. But first thing we need to do now is we need to test it. And just like that, check it out. Now we are installed in the backyard crawler course. Officially new thing in. So what we did is, in order to make some of this actually accessible, dug it in on the edge. Started a little bit of a pit in here underneath it. The concept here is, you know, something where you can crawl under and around, give it a little bit of an obstacle. And then here from our concrete ridges, able to turn on and off of it and go onto this thing. So let's give it a try. Got our Axial Wraith 2.2 out here. Big nasty tires. Oh yeah. Actually doing really good. All right, and now if you've watched this video this far, one, thank you for that, but then two, we have another special preview for you. All right, so just for the folks that hang around to the end of the video, we built another little bonus crawler obstacle in the backyard, and you get to be the first ones to see it. This bonus obstacle here is actually something that I had been thinking about for a while now, which is I had this big piece of cedar. It was a big limb that came out during the tornado that happened early 2020. What I did is I actually just chopped this big cedar limb straight in the middle. And then what that provided me was, it provided me with two absolutely equal sides. I tied it together with 4 2x4s that set the width. These are our old fence planks. They provide the treads, and then I just started to get creative with chunks of wood to provide some different obstacles as it goes through, including this up and over, including the angle bar. So what do you think about that? Bonus for the folks that get to stick around for the end of the video, so thank you for that. All right, so there we go. That's our 2 new crawler obstacles for the backyard crawler course. Was this helpful? I always love to hear if this was helpful for folks, if getting the ideas or showing you how to do it, how I did it anyway, is helpful for you. So I really do appreciate those comments down below about that. So anyway, I actually think I have one more thing that I'm supposed to be building, so I'm going to get to working on that. I'm going to get to working on some other videos that we're messing with. So come over here while I'm doing that. Check out some of the other videos that we have. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, please do so. It really does mean the world to us. As I film this, we're approaching up on that 4,000 subscriber mark, and that is really exciting. So thank you, really appreciate it. Talk to you later. Goodbye.